me, Jack. Oh, you've done it. You do, but I don't want to hear it. I'm taking matters into my own hand and I don't care about you anymore. I don't care about you anymore. Where could she be? Is that her over there? Oh. Alice. Is there anything going on between you and Jack? Because he's been acting really strange and I saw you run out of my room and I got really scared. Sorry, I just need to wipe away my tears quickly. I mean, it's like, Jack said that nothing's going on and I'm so upset with him. I thought he loved me and he said that you were evil and... Is there any way that you're just staging this, or is because? Oh, what? Why? But Jack said that you were. Why did you threaten me? And why? You said that. What? A cheetah? So he's just... Oh my god, Alice. So you were never going out with him, you just wanted to just tell him that... Oh my gosh. Alice is fine, sorry, my voice is going, but I shouted at him so much. I thought that, you were in love with him, and So is he not a good man, or is is he evil, or is he just, a good man, or... What? What did he say about me? I can't wait to tell him all about this when I get back. Ugly? Did he say anything else? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. How? That's awful. Did he say, anything about cheating, or... Wait, we need to go back and we need to confront him about this stuff. We need to go back. We need to go back right this second, and we need to... Just follow me, Alice. Thank you so much. Now I can see why you're, my friend. I'm on floor 3, and I'm in suite 304, okay? I'll wait for you up there. So happy that Alice is telling the truth, probably. I mean, I should have a look for the bad in people, but Jack is the evil man here. Can't wait to confront him when I get back. Hi, Jack. Alice gave me a makeover. We're here to confront you, because Alice has told me everything. She never wanted to go out with you. She was just lying to catch a cheetah. We thought that you were good. Hi, Jack. We're here to confront you. Oh, and Alice gave me a makeover. How'd you like my twin now? Alice never wanted to go out with you. She just went out with you to catch a cheetah, like that YouTube channel that you're addicted to watching. Well, just saying, you're not getting third time lucky, because Alice is my best friend, and she's not going to go out with you anymore. already had your chances.